What if Team Rocket was never a joke? What if Giovanni stopped chasing Pikachu and started chasing the world domination? What if Jesse and James become powerful enough to defeat champions? And finally, what kind of team would Ash Ketchum need to stop them? Today we are building the strongest teams ever for Jesse, James, Giovanni and Ash. Each trainer gets a starter Pokemon, a Mega Evolution, a Gigantamax Pokemon, a powerhouse teammate, a pseudo-legendary and a legendary or mythical Pokemon. Let's see if Team Rocket can finally become unstoppable. Jessie has spent years dreaming of becoming one of the greatest trainers in the world. This time the dream becomes reality. Her journey starts with a Cyndaquil. It may be small now, but every champion starts somewhere. Next, Jessie adds Pinsir to her team. Known for its incredible physical strength, Pinsir becomes the team's heavy hitter. To reinforce her lineup, she chooses Copperajah, a giant steel type capable of overpowering almost any opponent. But every great team needs a unique warrior. That's where Cerulege comes in. With blazing ghostly swords and incredible speed, it gives Jessie an unpredictable edge. No champion level team is complete without a dragon, so Jessie chooses the fearsome Salamence, one of the strongest pseudo-legendary Pokemon ever. Finally, watching over the battlefield is the legendary Articuno, bringing elegance, speed and devastating ice-type attacks. But Cyndaquil refuses to stay small forever. After countless battles, it evolves into Quilava, and after pushing beyond every limit, it becomes the mighty Typhlosion. Just when you think Jessie's team is complete, Pinsir Mega evolves into Mega Pinsir. Its power skyrockets, turning it into terrifying physical attacker. And that's not all. Copperajah Gigantamax. Now towering over the battlefield, it becomes an unstoppable steel giant. Jessie is no longer the comic relief. She is a champion level threat. James has always been underestimated, but today he proves everyone wrong. His first partner is Charmander, a classic starter with limitless potential. Joining him is Houndoom, bringing dark flames and ruthless offense. Lurking in the shadows is Gengar, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Then comes pure electrical power, Electivire, capable of overwhelming opponents with brute force. Flying high above the battlefield is Dragonite, combining incredible strength with unmatched loyalty. And leading the team is legendary Pokemon of destruction, Yveltal. A single appearance from Yveltal is enough to make even champions nervous. Meanwhile, Charmander continues growing stronger. It evolves into Charmeleon, before finally becoming the mighty Charizard. But James has two final surprises. Houndoom Mega evolves into Mega Houndoom. Dark flames erupt across the battlefield and its power reaches another level. Then Gengar Gigantamax. Its enormous mouth engulfs the battlefield itself, creating one of the most terrifying sights in the Pokemon history. James has become one of the Team Rocket's strongest commander, but he even answers to one man. Giovanni. If Jesse and James are powerful, Giovanni is on an entirely different level. Everything begins with Trico. Calm, focused, always one step ahead. Next comes Tyranitar, a Pokemon whose very presence changes the battlefield. Standing beside it is the mighty Machamp, bringing overwhelming physical strength. From the shadows emerges the mythical Darkrai, capable of trapping opponents in endless nightmares. Joining Giovanni's army is the brutal Hydreigon, a dragon feared across every region. And finally, his greatest weapon, Armored Mewtwo, a Pokemon created to be ultimate symbol of Team Rocket's power. Meanwhile, Trico grows stronger, it evolves into Grovyle, then finally, Sceptile. But Giovanni always has one last card to play. Tyranitar Mega evolves into Mega Tyranitar. Its already overwhelming strength becomes almost impossible to stop. And just when things couldn't get any worse, Machamp Gigantamax, a colossal warrior with unmatched power. At this point, Team Rocket looks unbeatable. So who could possibly stop them? There's only one answer, Ash Ketchum. When the world needs a hero, Ash Ketchum always answers the call. His journey begins with Torchic, small, determined and ready to prove itself. Standing beside its Ash's lifelong partner, Pikachu. No matter how impossible the battle, Pikachu never gives up. Joining Ash is the mythical Zeraora, matching Ash's fearless and lightning-fast battle style. For his pseudo-legendary, Ash chooses the unstoppable Garchomp, a Pokemon known for its incredible speed and devastating attacks. Finally, the legendary Solgaleo joins the team, a Pokemon Ash already shares a powerful bond with, making it perfect guardian for the world champion. Torchic continues fighting through every challenge. It evolves into Combuscane and finally Blaziken. But Ash's greatest weapon are still waiting. His Ace unleashes the power of Mega Evolution, Mecha Charizard X. Dark blue flames ignite the battlefield as Charizard reaches its ultimate form. And finally, Pikachu reveals its true power, Gigantamax Pikachu. Towering over the battlefield, it stands beside Ash as the symbol of every battle they fought together. This isn't just Ash's strongest team, it's team for a true champion. Now it's your turn. Who wins the ultimate battle? Can Ash and his champion team stop the strongest Team Rocket ever assembled? Or has Giovanni finally built a team powerful enough to conquer the Pokemon world? Let me know your winner in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more Pokemon content, and I'll see you in next adventure. Until then, peace out.